Hello everyone, my name is Ofelia Fuentes and welcome to one of my videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today I'm really excited because I am using the Juvia's Place palette, the Nomad palette. And I think this eye look is super cute, super wearable. So if you want to know how to create this eye look step by step, keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. Okay, and to start off, we're just going to be using that lightest shade on the palette as the base. And just for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be showing how to do one side of the eye. For my next shade, I'm just going to be applying that a little bit above my crease and on the outer parts of my eye. So now using that green shade on the bottom corner of the palette, I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my crease. Just doing windshield wiper motions back and forth, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use a clean fluffy brush just to smoke all that out. Okay, so now using that dark green, we're gonna apply that in the outer corner of our eye, kind of creating a UV shape going up to your crease. And I'm using a small tapered brush. I think that works best. And do not worry, it does not have to be perfect because we're going to go ahead and buff that out, smoke it out with a fluffier brush. And this step is going to be repeated quite a few times because we're kind of building the color slowly. So don't worry, just keep going back and forth and smoking it out till you get that desired look. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I know this probably looks silly, but I normally just look down and blink, and that creates a guide for me to follow. And yeah, it can take a little bit of while in practice, but with patience it will come out fine. And yeah, just go ahead and fill all that in. And I'm not going to cut the entire crease, I'm just going to go a little bit more than half for this look. Okay, so now just using that green shimmer shade in the palette, we're just gonna tap that in, using it as the topper over that dark green that we had originally used in the outer corner. And for the rest of the lid, we're just gonna go ahead and take that beautiful copper shimmery color on that palette, and we're just gonna tap that in all over the eyelid and kind of blending it in with that green shimmer shade. And isn't that just looking so beautiful? I really love how this is coming out. So now I'm just kind of going in and just cleaning out all the edges with a small tapered brush, and then adding more of that copper color and using a larger fluffy brush just to make everything come together, look smooth, smoky, and clean. So now I'm just applying some black eyeliner. I believe this one's from NARS. You can really use any eyeliner you like or no eyeliner at all. I just feel like this black just makes the colors pop and really bring them together, in my opinion. Okay, and just adding the finishing touches. This is just some highlight that I'm adding in the inner corner of the eye. And now we're just popping on some lashes, and that's always the icing on the cake for me. And yeah, that is it for this eye look. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. It definitely is a beautiful glam date night look that you can wear this fall. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!